How to use KineMasters to edit videos on Android and iOS. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open KineMaster. Then click on Create New, and then select your ratio for your video. Then click on Create. Allow your media. Select your video, and this kind of screen should pop up. You can trim or split the video if you want, or you'll find speed options where you can increase or decrease speed of the video. You can remove, pin and zoom, filter, adjust, and many more like these options as shown. You can also simply add any audio you want from your device or simply from in here. You can also voice record and add your voice recording. And that's how you use KineMaster to edit videos on Android and iOS. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.